Hi everyone, I am Vandana and I welcome you all to my YouTube channel Pharma and Jobs in Dubai. Friends, अगर आप मेरा वीडियो आज पहली बार देख रहे हैं तो प्लीज़ मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करिए एंड इफ़ यू आर माय एग्जिस्टिंग व्यूअर एंड यू हैव नॉट सब्सक्राइब्ड तो भी आप मेरा चैनल सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए, साथ में दिया हुआ बेल आइकन भी प्रेस कर लीजिए सो दैट यू कम टू नो about my other latest and new updates on pharma and jobs in Dubai. So like in my previous videos I have explained many things about the DHA licensed pharmacist and other categories of pharmacist in Dubai and in the whole UAE, and I have also told you about the medical representative jobs in Dubai. So today also I have come up with another category of job that is also related to our healthcare and pharma sector, but this job is not the pharmacist job. Today I have come up with a new topic for our healthcare professionals, especially the pharma people, and that is about the insurance company. So today also I have come up with a new job, okay, a new job sector for our pharma and healthcare professionals, and this is the insurance job. As I have already told you in my previous videos that in Dubai insurance is mandatory, and we have like so many insurance companies here in the whole UAE, and most of the insurance companies are existing in Dubai, like more than 20 to 25 companies, or maybe more. I don't have the exact data, but more than this number, the insurance companies are existing here in Dubai, and healthcare insurance is mandatory in this emirate, particularly in UAE, in Dubai, and it's going to be compulsory in other emirates also. Like slowly this the government is going to take this step for making this health insurance compulsory. Apart from the health insurance, you also have your insurance in job in other sectors, like in the motor insurance and all, but I will talk particularly about the health insurance. So healthcare insurance, there are different categories in this as well, different job roles, like insurance coordinator, like claims officer, like insurance consultant, like insurance advisor. So these are some of the job categories that we have in insurance companies, where they ask like the qualification that we should have is you should be a healthcare professional, you should have done your MBA in healthcare, or you should be a M.Pharm or a B.Pharm in healthcare or in pharmacy. And some companies also ask for licensed pharmacists, DHA, MOH. Some companies do ask for the DHA and MOH pharmacists, but it's not mandatory with all the companies, and it's not mandatory all the time. So in insurance also the job is good, okay. It's also a 9-hour job, and the benefits are same as the giving to the pharmacist and other jobs here in Dubai. Like you get the 2 years visa from your company, okay. They give you employment visa that is valid for 2 years, and after 2 years it's again renewed by the employer. You get the annual insurance coverage. You get the air ticket to your country after completion of 1 year in your company, and you get 1 month paid annual leaves by your company. You also get some accommodation and transportation allowance that is also covered in your whole package. So these are some benefits that you get from your company. Plus every Friday you have a off. Sometimes you have a off on Friday and Saturday both. And apart from all this, these jobs are like pharmacist job, you need a license, DHA license, MOH license, or a hard license to work as a pharmacist in any company. But in insurance job you don't need to have a license, okay. Always, as I have told, some companies do ask for a licensed pharmacist, but it is not mandatory. It is not asked by all the companies, and also it is not asked all the time. Sometimes you will see the ads where they ask you that you should have a DHA license of the pharmacist, and sometimes they do not ask for the license, they just simply publish the job and you can apply for that job. So salary is also good in insurance, okay, although the salary also starts from 4,000 for a fresher, but as you gain the your experience in insurance, you get good salary. So salary wise also insurance job is good, okay, and no license required in this job, and you are a healthcare professional, so you can also work as a healthcare professional in this insurance company's insurance provider. So talking about in detail, I will talk about these all jobs later, but today just an overview of what we have to do in these jobs, what are the job roles, okay. So like you have to make new clients, you have to maintain good and healthy relationships with your existing clients, you have to be up to date about the new policy coverage with your existing clients, as well as you have to explain the policy coverage to your new clients as well. You have to analyze the data that is given to you by your clients, and also you have to take care of the insurance claims of all the insurance. You are a provider, so you have to take care of all the insurance claims of all the clients, and also do the same for your upcoming new clients. You have to do calls, you have to meet new people, you have to meet company, you have to meet the corporate companies here, tell about your investment plans, tell about your annual healthcare plans, and it's also a kind of like tele-sales job, okay. I'm talking in general, I'm not talking today about a particular job insurance coordinator or insurance advisor. I'm talking in general today. In this video I'm just talking about in general. I have not taken a particular category of job in insurance. So you have to make calls, okay, you have to make calls to the existing client, to the new clients, to the corporate companies. You have to bring new clients for your company. This is also a pressure job. There are targets also in this job, like your medical representative job. This job also have targets in some cases where you have to meet your targets. You have it's a pressure job when you have to bring new clients to your company, and you have to offer them the new insurance coverage. You have to tell them about your new insurance coverage. Okay, you should have good negotiation skills for this job, you should have good communication skills for this job, and you should also have good selling skills for this job, because if you do not have all these three things, good communication skills, good selling skills, and good negotiation skills, it will be difficult for you to work in the insurance company, especially if you are working as an insurance consultant or if you are working as an insurance advisor. Because in these jobs you have to as I said, you have to bring new clients for your company, and also you have to maintain your relationships with the existing clients so that they do not go to some other insurance company, okay. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, okay. And I will share with you the jobs related to pharma and healthcare sector in UAE and Dubai, based on my experience and based on the market and healthcare scenario in Dubai and UAE. So please subscribe to my channel and share the videos with your friends and colleagues who are in the pharmaceutical sector or the healthcare sector. So thanks for watching my video. Take care, stay home, stay safe.